Hey guys, so welcome to week 2. It is Monday, April 6th in the year 2020, and it's looking like it's going to be a really great day. I don't know if you guys noticed, but over the weekend it was rather windy, really windy, but it was really pretty, nice and clear, sunny skies. I think that the wind maybe has died down for today. Looks like the high is going to be about 30, low about 12. Hopefully that sun's going to start peeking out. It looks out my window like it's slowly starting to come out. All right, so today we're going to be using French for our hello and our goodbye. Let me show you a couple things here. So here is what the French flag looks like. I'm going to decided to throw that in also for you because French is the official language, obviously, of the country of France, but also it's the official language of Canada and like 28 other countries, like French Polynesia, the Congo. There's all sorts of countries that you wouldn't think of that actually use French as their official language. So I learned that this morning, so something new for you too. And here's how we say hello in French. We say bonjour. All right, this is how it's spelled, bonjour. So I say bonjour to you all this morning. The other thing that I wanted to tell you about today's holiday, it's National Student Athlete Day. And even though we're in elementary school, and we really don't refer to student athletes until more of middle school, high school, certainly college, I think you guys still probably understand what a student athlete is. It is a student who also participates in sports. And the reason that we're celebrating Student Athlete Day today is to recognize these kiddos because they have to work hard in two different areas, not just their sport on the field, but also off the field in their academics. And it's a lot to take on, and they really have to be committed to it and really put in the time and the effort and the hard work to be successful at both. And so that kind of led me to choose our word for the day. Our word for the day is perseverance. Perseverance. It's a little bit of a long word, but it means continuing to work hard even when something is difficult. And we're all kind of having to have perseverance right now with remote learning. This is, can kind of be difficult with this situation, but we're all having to work hard and continue to work hard even when it's difficult. And that's what student athletes have to do every single day. So we're celebrating them today, and we're using our word perseverance and keeping that in mind today also. Okay, so for our brain teaser on Mondays, remember our Monday brain teaser is always going to be what we call a malapropism. And I'm going to just remind you, okay, what a malapropism is. It's when you accidentally confuse the wrong word with another word that sounds similar. It sounds the same. They sound so close together that you accidentally use it the wrong way. So I'm not going to give you the answer to this one until much later today because I want you to have the chance to be the first person to answer this correctly in your Google Classroom stream. Okay, so here's the picture and here's what it says. That's why it's called a bump bed. So I want you to look at this malapropism. I'll post it in our classroom stream. I want you to tell me which word in that sentence is the wrong word, and then I want you to tell me what should the word be. What would the right word, the correct word be in that sentence for this malapropism, okay? And then also don't forget to maybe go into the stream also and use our word of the day in a sentence, perseverance, okay? See if you can use that because I want you guys to get as many dojo points as you can because we are having a contest between now and the end of the year. I want to see who can get the most dojo points in each group. Okay, so that's really about it for today for me. I hope that you're doing well. I hope that you're up and ready to go for this Monday and this new week. I will tell you that this Friday is a vacation day for you kiddos. We teachers will be working, but it's not a day that counts for you towards school. So keep that in mind as well. It's only a 4-day week. So have some perseverance this week as it's short, especially. And then I will just leave you with how we say goodbye in French, which is au revoir. Au revoir. Okay, so au revoir, my friends, and I will see you guys again tomorrow. Have a great day.